Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discussed regarding the job openings on ServiceNow and automation testing. So let us go through the ServiceNow developer jobs first. So coming to the first job opening here, role would be ServiceNow architect and senior SME. So location would be remote location they are offering for, and overall experience they are expecting from the candidates 9 to 15 years of experience. So relevant into the ServiceNow developer would be 4 to 5 years of experience they are looking for. So minimum 3 years of experience as a architect, worked on onshore on offshore model, flexibility work on extended hours, conversation from TP and FTE in 3 months. So these are all the major responsibilities that candidate should have. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to Shiv Prasad by following him. They didn't give any mail details, so we can follow Shiv Prasad and you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 10 years of experience, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So these are all the qualifications like must have expertise in ServiceNow scripting, REST, SOAP, API, and workflows, practical knowledge of CMDB and CSSD, and implementation in crucial coupled with strong problem solving skills and team workforce skills. So experience proficient in ITSM, CMDB, CSDM. So these are all the major responsibilities that candidates should have. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to kartika@livecjobs.com. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow developer, and it would be a remote USA location. It would be contract mode, and 2 to 5 years of experience they are looking for. The candidate should have 2 to 5 years of experience with ServiceNow platform, which focus on coding and scripting configurations and advanced capabilities like workflows, flow designer, etc. So experience with implementation of core suite of ITAL, ITSM modules. So experience with implementation of FSM functionalities using ServiceNow platforms. So maintain and update existing solutions like business rules, UI policies, client scripts, workflows, dashboards and reporting, data imports, etc. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, you can share your profiles to Fanindra P at the rate examcloud.com, or else you can follow Fanindra P and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer and location is Perth, and job type would be contract mode and requirements full working rights in Australia. So So these are all the key responsibilities like develop, implement and maintain ServiceNow solutions and collaborate with cross-functional teams to deliver high quality solutions and enhance and optimize ServiceNow capabilities within the organization. So these are all the major skills they are looking for. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to diksha.doval at the red zonitech IT solutions.com, or else you can contact through this WhatsApp number, and you can send your resumes through WhatsApp number also. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer and it would be a contract mode. So these are the requirements like proficiency in building ServiceNow policies and workflows using ServiceNow Flow Designer, strong JavaScript skills and familiarity with Jira and Agile development methodologies. And these are all the preferred qualifications like experience in fixing IP address data to CMDB mismatches and knowledge of IPv4 and DHCP management, and CCNA certification or equivalent intermediate networking knowledge should be there. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to venkat.manda@payment.com, or else you can follow Venkat Ramna and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be IT ServiceNow developer. Like they are looking for immediate joiners. Experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 8 years of experience, and location is Delhi. And job type would be permanent role, and 2 rounds of interview, virtual round. There will be a virtual round of interviews, and it would be a 2 rounds. So If you have these skills like ServiceNow development and administration, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JSON, XML web services, and service catalogs, workflows, UI policies, and ITIL, Agile Scrum methodologies like SDLC. So strong problem solving skills and analytical skills they are looking for. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to uma@bwbsol.com, or else you can send your resumes to this WhatsApp number. So they have provided WhatsApp number too, so you can send your resumes to what through her WhatsApp number. So coming to the next job opening role would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 4 to 9 years of experience they are expecting. So these are all the mandatory skills like ServiceNow relevant experience would be 4 years, and mode of work would be it would be a hybrid mode like 3 days in a week. So interview rounds would be first round would be a virtual and second round would be face to face interview, and timings would be 2 p.m. IST to 11 p.m. IST. So this is the job description. Let us go through the job description here. So coming to the job description, like 5 plus years of experience as a ServiceNow developer is mandatory. Work experience on creation of custom workspace and custom service portal. So experience in leading technical implementation efforts in similar scope and size. Work closely with business analysis and project managers to develop the agreed solutions. So they are looking for flow designer and integration experience is mandatory. So strong understanding of both functional and technical knowledge of ServiceNow. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, you can send your CVs to ta3@nippondata.com, or else you can follow Shivangi Nigam and you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening here, ServiceNow ISM, like ServiceNow IRM, SecOps developer and architect. So these are all the job responsibilities like bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or related field. So if you have 5 plus years of hands-on experience in service node development with specific expertise in our IRM model, so experience with API integrations, REST, SOAP, and strong understanding of ITIL process and risk management principles, excellence, problem solving skills, and effective communication abilities. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, so you can send your resumes to gauravmtl8@gmail.com, or else you can follow Gaurav Mittal and you can send your resumes there. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel Service Now with the Technology. Thank you.